This week we're taking a look at Sandos Caracol Eco Resort. This resort is heaven if your family loves activities, nature. The resort has cenotes on site, a water park, an archaeological site, so lots of fun activities. So let's take another one of our trips with Angie.
This resort has 4 main sections: a select club adults only section with its own pool and restaurant for breakfast and lunch, the Eco Superior section, the Royal Elite section, and the Standard section. Can you believe this cenote? So you walk through the lobby and then here you are at this beautiful cenote. People pay to take excursions to these great springs. The resort also has this farm for rescued animals, so if you have an animal lover, they're absolutely going to love this. The resort's emphasis on ecology means they kept a lot of the natural vegetation, and 2 adults can reserve this little canoe to take on a cenote tour. Here's a brief look at the overall map. It looks big, but it's not that overwhelming. There's also a refuge for deer. They're hunted heavily in this area, so they set up this little area for the deer. There's 4 resident parrots that have been rescued, and they live out at the farm. So yes, there's also a farm that grows vegetables you can go visit. That's where the parrots hang out. And be sure to find this very cool suspension bridge over one of the cenotes. One thing that really struck me as I toured this resort is it has so many things people pay to take excursions to go see. The cenotes, the rescue animals, the Mayan ruins. There's just a lot of things here that are all included. You can take a bike and go around the whole resort. There's this aqua park you can visit that has different splash parks as well as these large water slides. This is a really big area, much bigger than I'm showing because I didn't want to show any of the kids. You can pay extra to take a Segway tour. This is the entrance into the small set of Mayan ruins. Here's another cenote you can go snorkeling in with a guide. Again, all included. This is the quiet pool that's located in the eco area. So this is one of the Eco Superior rooms. It has a king bed and 2 bunk beds. There's also standard rooms, but the standard rooms don't have room service and they don't have Wi-Fi included. But here in the Eco Superior rooms, you're going to find your water. Again, it's ecological, so they're trying to reduce single-use plastics, as well as your mini bar with beers, sodas, and juices. And most of the rooms here do have some type of tropical view like you see here, and then your bathroom with a stand-up shower. No bathtubs in these rooms, so keep that in mind. One of the included areas for the Select Club is their adults only beach area. You can see it here with the beach hammocks and beach chairs. The Select Club also has their own pool. This is Riviera Restaurant, one of the included a la carte restaurants. Each night, one of the restaurants will be designated adults only. So you want to be sure to check that schedule of the week to find out when restaurants are going to be open and closed to make sure you don't miss anything. So here we are headed into the main active pool. So lots of activities going on. There's also this great lounge area where you can enjoy pool, foosball, just kind of the hangout at night. Then you're going to want to find the stand within the resort where you sign up for the different activities. There's the buffet, there's a Mexican restaurant, there's an Asian restaurant. You do need reservations for the teppanyaki table there. Large kids club and program that's included. And they have this great bar. I know a lot of you love these bars where there's swings as bar stools. Here's a peek into the hydrotherapy area of the spa. Spa treatments are not included, but you can pay for a day pass to go to the hydrotherapy area, or it's included with the treatment. And then they have an updated fitness center with really anything you could need to stay in shape on your vacation. So that is just a super quick peek at Sandos Caracol Eco Resort. Let me know what you think. I post new resort tours every Tuesday, or you can get delivered to your inbox if you sign up via the link in the description. Thanks for watching.